You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this originally Belgian fashion designer and brand. If you want to learn more names from fashion that are confusing and mispronounced, stay tuned, I've got more videos for you. The Belgian pronunciation, Flemish, or is kind of similar to Dutch, is as Ann Demeulemeester, Ann Demeulemeester. In English, therefore, you can say it as Ann, better than Anne, Ann Demeulemeester, Ann Demeulemeester. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.